Have you ever opened your banking app and felt your chest tighten? Not because you're shocked, but because you're already bracing for bad news. You scroll fast. You do mental math. You ask yourself whether buying coffee today means struggling later this week. Now imagine the opposite. You check your balance, and nothing happens. No fear, no panic, no urgency to close the app. That moment exists. And surprisingly, it doesn't start with $1 million. It starts much earlier. There's a quiet financial milestone that completely changes how money feels, how you think, decide, and move through life. That number is $20,000. And no, it's not about being rich. It's about crossing the line between survival and control. Most people think wealth is built slowly, dollar by dollar, over decades. Others assume rich people had advantages from the start. Both are missing something important. Money works in phases. There are invisible thresholds, moments where the rules suddenly change. Before the threshold, progress feels exhausting. After it, momentum starts doing part of the work for you. Your first $20,000 is the first real threshold. Think of it like pushing a broken-down car. At the beginning, every inch feels impossible. You're straining, sweating, questioning if it's even worth it. But once the car starts rolling, even slightly, everything changes. Now movement helps movement. That's what $20,000 does for your financial life. Before this point, your brain operates in survival mode. Every decision is defensive. Take the job, even if you hate it. Stay quiet, even if you're underpaid. Say yes, even when you want to say no. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is protecting you. When money is tight, your mind cannot focus on growth. It's like trying to plan the future while putting out a fire. But once you build a real financial buffer, something shifts. Your questions change. Instead of asking, "How do I get through this month?" you start asking, "How do I make this grow?" That shift alone is powerful. Here's the math side. And this is where momentum shows up. Let's say you save consistently and invest at a modest return. Your first $20,000 takes time. It requires discipline, patience, and sacrifice. But your second $20,000 arrives faster, not because you worked harder, but because your money started helping. By the time you reach larger numbers, the acceleration becomes obvious. The same amount that once took years can later happen in months. Nothing magical changed. No secret investments, no insider access, just scale. A small percentage applied to a larger base suddenly matters. That's why $20,000 feels different. Returns stop feeling symbolic and start feeling real. But the most important change isn't financial, it's identity. Saving $20,000 proves something to yourself. You can delay gratification, you can control your spending, you can stick to a long-term plan. That rewiring stays with you. You stop obsessing over small purchases because you trust yourself with big decisions. You stop panicking over minor emergencies because you're prepared. Unexpected expenses become inconveniences, not disasters. And opportunities start to appear where fear used to live. Your career changes too. When you're paycheck to paycheck, your job owns you. You can't negotiate, you can't push back, you can't walk away. But savings give you leverage, not recklessness, leverage. You speak differently, you show up more confident, you take smarter risks, and often you never even need to use that safety net. Just having it changes how others respond to you. This is where many people mess up. They finally reach $20,000 and immediately spend it to reward themselves. A car, a vacation, a lifestyle upgrade they can't sustain. That money isn't a trophy. It's a foundation. Spend it too early and you reset the clock. Protect it, and it becomes the base layer of everything that follows. $20,000 won't make you rich, but it will. Calm your mind. Sharpen your decisions. Change how you see money. Give you options instead of anxiety. It's the difference between reacting to life and designing it. And if you're building toward it right now, slowly, imperfectly, you're closer than you think. Your future self isn't asking for perfection. They're asking for consistency. Don't forget to subscribe.